Hey, Nora, where did you go today?
To the zoo.
To the zoo. What did you see?
Some alligator.
Alligator? And what else did you see there? What else did you see at the zoo?
Some tigers.
Tigers? There weren't any tigers. Did you get to feed any animals? What'd you feed?
Goats.
Goats. Did they eat it out of your hand? And what else? What did you get to pet?
A horse.
A horse. And?
Not a poo.
No, we didn't let you touch his poo, no. And also, did we see some monkeys?
Yeah, Mickey.
That's right. Did you have fun at the zoo? Who went with you?
Mommy, I tell you.
Yeah.